Hello guys, it's David here. Welcome to my daily update where I go over what's currently happening, where I'm going, and what is the plan to move to the next step. So, the way how these usually go is that first I answer your questions and help you with make scenarios if you have any problems with your current automations. Then I go through my YouTube stats and kind of see what level I am at and where am I going and moving. And then the third part is usually either some strategy or just me freestyle yapping about what I'm doing with the business, what I'm kind of thinking, and the thought process behind it. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Now, the first thing that I want to do is look at my daily channel and look if there are any updates. So when I look to the YouTube studio and I look at the community, today there are no questions, so that means that we can go directly to the next step, which is looking at my brand stats and what's kind of happening. And I already have it opened, so that's pretty easy. Today is May the 2nd. And when I look at my channel analytics at this channel, I currently have 4 subscribers, which is, growth of 1 subscriber, which is around 33.3% in this case. That was some quick math. And yeah. As you could have seen, there was some quick math, but then I'm struggling with basic Excel. I was very confused why is this not working, but I guess I didn't copy the formula. I just wrote 0 instead. So now as you can see, it's 33% and my math is working. So for the main channel, let's go in the main channel and we have 206 subscribers in the main channel, which is a very good improvement. That's actually 2 subscribers and that's around 1% in growth. That's actually very, very good, very decent, especially as I'm always mentioning, given the fact that I'm not posting new videos for 2 months on the channel as of now. Now, what I wanted to also show you guys on the other channel is that yesterday's video I started, also utilizing descriptions and video titles and stuff like that, video thumbnails, because this is daily channel, right? So the most important thing for me right now is to kind of get the habit of creating the videos going. And then when I'm in the habit and I kind of have some track record of making the videos daily, then I will improve everything around it. And you can see it with maybe the production. I will go into it a bit into my daily app session today. But, step by step, I'm trying to improve the videos, add build quality to it. But the most important thing is to just keep the consistency and keep the daily updates going. So if I come back in here, as you can see, I have 7 views on this video and the views are increasing a bit. Maybe I can see it somewhere in the analytics. So yeah, actually, I had a spike in views on Wednesday for some reason, and then Thursday was 4 views, but I think today, again, there was increase in the views. And I was also trying to test different thumbnails. I'm curious how that works, if there's something. Top traffic sources, 42% from browse feature. That's actually quite interesting. Can I see anything regarding the thumbnails? So there's 3 thumbnails, and when I look at the test reports, okay, so far there's not enough information to get any data, which, disappointing, but I guess it kind of makes sense given the fact that the video has 7 views. Anyways, moving on. Next thing that I want to go over is this strategy and just freestyle yapping part of my video. And as you can see, hopefully at least, today I'm at home, I'm not at the office, so the background isn't as great as in yesterday's video, and it will probably stay like this for, for some time, because kind of home is where most of my recording is going to be. But the video production quality should be better. As of now, I'm actually using the iPhone as a main camera to record the video. So that's very convenient, and it definitely looks different and better than the Mac camera. And I'm not saying, honestly, this is the new M4 MacBook and they improved the camera quite a bit from the previous versions. It's very good for day-to-day usage, but obviously for the YouTube videos and kind of higher production quality, it's not anywhere near to be sufficient. And especially when it's full screen, like right now when you're seeing me full screen, I think this is where the difference really shows. And meanwhile, when I'm just in this view in the corner of the screen, well, even the Mac camera would do. So that's one thing. The second thing is that I got some kind of statives, some things for recording, and you can't see it, but there's another light to me. I don't want to move with it to not break the scene. And I'm also creating the new thumbnails now. So basically what I did yesterday after kind of recording yesterday's video, I just made a bunch of weird faces that, and I'm not sure if hopefully you're seeing the screen now. But after yesterday's recording, I just made a lot of kind of weird faces, and yeah, I'm using it for thumbnails now. And yeah, this is just, how is it going? This is just my weird faces that I'm using for thumbnails. And then in here, I have like me with weird faces and kind of background, and I can just paste it in and have it very, very easy. So yeah, anyways, this is everything for today's video. Again, very short one, but I'm just trying to keep the consistency going. And hopefully over the weekend, I will be done with the kind of content system, so that I can be more consistent also with the content on the main channel. If you have any questions regarding life, regarding business, regarding, anything that I can at least add a bit of value, let me know. And of course, make scenarios, and any automation problems that you have, write them down in the comments and I'll be happy to help you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.